Today is a very sad day for Goa. Goans woke up to a very sad reality that this morning, there have been casualties at a famous gathering called Lehrai Jatra in Shirgaon in Goa. Now this is a very famous Jatra where in the past and even this year anticipated crowd would have been very huge and the administrative setup was required to take some responsibility. Before I move ahead, I want to express my solidarity with those families who have lost their near and dear ones in this tragedy. There has never been a precedent of a stampede situation where people lose their lives. Goa has many different festivals, where large crowds do gather. But this is the first time something of this nature has happened. And I'm sorry. Even I sympathize with those injured and I pray that they recover very soon. Now, having said that, in a place of mass gathering, it is very obvious that the administrative setup has to be very strong. Just yesterday, we have seen statements being made that large posse of police personnel have been posted, over 1,000 in that small area. Good. So far so good. But what was this full posse of police personnel doing? What was their responsibility? What is the responsibility of the district administration, the magistrates, the district magistrates? Were there no proper recce? Why there was no proper crowd control? What has led to this situation? So these are answers which needs answers. Just because Chief Minister goes there with surrounded by people, the DGP goes there and gives, sometimes insensitive answers that the casualties could have been more. They say, the police personnel say the casualties could have been more but for their intervention. If casualties would have been more but for your intervention, what were you doing when these casualties actually occurred? What was the preventive role that you were supposed to play? These are the answers demanded by the people of Goa from you, because every time you claim that the fault lies somewhere else, but doesn't lie at your feet. It takes me back in time to an incident that had happened in Kanakona, Goa, which is called Ruby Residency incident. A building under construction had collapsed, over 30 laborers had died, and all that you did is ended up placing a few officers under suspension and even arresting some of them. What was the outcome? Nothing. People who lost their lives. The loss is colossal to the families who are involved in this. But taking moral responsibility, I think the moral responsibility comes at the door of the CM, at the feet of the CM. You have to take responsibility for what is happening. You have to go into investigation. So my demand is, let there be a proper investigation, an investigation headed by at least a retired High Court judge, to go into every aspect, because this should not get repeated again. These kind of situations are to be prevented. So once again, expressing solidarity with those who have died, their families, and also praying for the speedy recovery of those in the hospital. I exhort the government to be serious about these kind of things and give the people of Goa a better administration.